Breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast. More bridges have collapsed in Bihar. 9 bridges have gone down in just the last 15 days. In fact, 3 of these 9 bridges have collapsed today in Siwan. RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav has now taken a swipe again. Tejashwi Yadav has said that now the double-engine government will start blaming the opposition yet again. Tejashwi has now called this a proof of the double-engine powered corruption. Absolute shocker there coming in from Bihar. 9 bridges have gone down in just the 15 days and 3 of these 9 bridges have collapsed today. Now these 3 bridges have collapsed in Siwan and now this has invited the mockery of Tejashwi Yadav, who is an RJD leader. He's now hit out at the Nitish Kumar government there and also the double-engine government. Saket joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Saket, now multiple bridges, 9 bridges gone down in 15 days. Is this now a clear indication of the corruption at play? Because this can't just be an accident. 9 bridges going down in 15 days, clearly there's much more in play here. Right, we'll try connecting with Saket there. But meanwhile, as you see on your visuals there, the bridges that are going down in Bihar like 9 pins there. 15 days, 9 bridges, 3 of these bridges have just gone down today. We have seen in the past as well such incidents come to light, and of course a lot of blame is then put on the contractors. But again, at the end of the day, the question needs to be asked as far as the government is also concerned. Saket joins us back on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Saket, 9 bridges have gone down in 15 days. Is this now an indication of the corruption at every single level as far as these infrastructural works are concerned?
तो लगातार इस तरह की घटना हो रही है बिहार में। कई जिलों में ये ब्रिजेस गिरे हैं और आज तो जो सिवान जिला है बिहार का, वहां पर 3 ब्रिज जो है वो कोलैप्स हुए हैं। तो ये बड़ा सवाल उठता है कि किस तरह से जो निर्माण कराया गया इन ब्रिजों का, वो उसमें क्या गुणवत्ता को ध्यान में नहीं रखा गया, क्या जो मटेरियल यूज किए गए उसमें गड़बड़ी है, या जो यहाँ पर भ्रष्टाचार का मामला है वो है ब्रिजों के निर्माण में। ये तमाम ऐसे बिंदु हैं जिस पर जांच की बात सरकार कर रही है। जो विभाग है, ग्रामीण कार्य विभाग, उनके मंत्री ने कहा है कि इसके लिए एक कमेटी बनाई गई है जो कि अब इसकी जांच करेगी कि आखिर ये ब्रिजेज क्यों लगातार गिर रहे हैं, टूट रहे हैं, इसकी वजह क्या है। क्योंकि कई ऐसे ब्रिज हैं जो कि काफी पुराने हैं, बहुत पहले उसका निर्माण हुआ है। ऐसे में ये भी सवाल है कि पुराने होने के बाद क्या ये ब्रिज जो है वो टूटे हैं। ये तमाम ऐसे विषय हैं जिस पर जांच हो रही है और जांच के बाद जो विभाग है और सरकार है वो कार्रवाई की बात कह रही है।